Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. Got a Stryker SR-447HPC2. This is for Doug in Nebraska and it's a tune-up report. So we'll start with the power all the way down on AM like usual. Put that on the 10-watt scale on top. Come in a little higher under 2 there. Now, I'm going to put it on a 30-watt scale on the bottom now. There's 10. Turn the watt knob all the way to the maximum. Should get about 12 there. Now our peak reading meter's got 100 watt slugs. There's 40 and there's 60 right there.
Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check.
Okay, and FM power. Maximum is 30 watts right there. A lot of people put that to 40, but it's got such a small heat sink. See how small it is? I think it's safer at 30. All right, that's it. How about a 19? Gotta get a radio check out here.
Yeah, it works.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, 10.8.